Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, grow wealth. That is the only way to get rich, by investing. Well, may not be the only way, but you can invest in business. You can invest in your side hustle. You can invest in farming. You can invest in bitcoins, cryptos, and forex. You can invest in many things. But you can invest in commodities. You can buy metal like gold, silver, aluminum, diamond. You can invest in your art, in your music. You can invest in your creativity, in your writing, in books. You can invest in many things. But on this channel, we are investing in the stock market. I tell people to save. I tell people to invest. I tell people to grow wealth in the stock market. Some people tell me it's so risky. Man, the stock market is so risky. Well, which investment, which business is not risky? Which business is not risky? All businesses are risky. And risky business means also good returns. If you can master the risk, if you can go about the risk, if you can manage the risk, risky business also means good returns. Businesses that don't have risk have nearly zero returns. Let's take, for example, putting your money in the bank. Putting your money in the bank has zero risk, but the returns is also very small, about 4%, 5%. If you are saving your money at 5% return, and inflation in Kenya is 6% return, you're wasting time. You're wasting your money. It will take your money 15 years to double using the rule of 72. You don't want to do that. So to grow your money quickly, invest in the stock market. That's what I'm telling people, and that's what we are practicing on this channel. If you're new here, subscribe, join our Telegram group. The link is below in the description. We are aiming at doubling our money in 12 months. How are we doing it? Every month we save 10, we invest and aim at a return of 10%. Another month we repeat, aim at another 10% return. Another month we repeat, aim at another 10% return. Our aim is to keep repeating that, keep doing that over a period of time. And that's how our money will grow quickly, and that's how we will become rich eventually. So how do you become rich in the stock market? How do you become successful? That is our topic today. How do you become successful in the stock market? The principle for success is very simple. Keep trying. Ukianguka, jaribu tena. If you fail, try again. If you fail, try again. The reasoning is very simple. You will pick some stocks, but these stocks will fail to do well. So then what do you do? What you do is very simple. You try again. This month, if you pick stocks and they don't do well, like I picked StanChart. I told guys buy StanChart at 130. I was sure it was going to 150. It failed to reach 150. So it gave us a 9% return, which was 142. Then it started dropping again. Long-term investors, you can still keep StanChart, for it will grow well. But what I'm telling you is this. Keep trying. Keep trying. You fail, you try again. Fail, try again. Fail, try again. Fail, try again. Keep trying and trying and trying and trying and trying and trying and trying. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the principle of success. I'm getting knowledge from M. Mark Opmeyer. He's a success coach. He's an American success coach. This is what you're saying. To run well towards your goal is not enough. You must continue running. That is how you reach your goal. There is no any other way. You have to continue running. And here, you have to continue saving. You have to continue investing. You have to continue getting returns. Some will do well, some will not. But you have to Keep at it. It is not fighting that wins. Anyone but a coward can fight. It is continuing to fight and fight and fight and fight and fight. It is to get up when you get knocked down. However great the fatigue, to fight on and fight on and fight on to victory. That is the way of champions. Keep fighting and keep fighting and keep fighting until the other opponent gives up. But you don't give up. And that's how we will succeed in the stock market. We keep investing, getting returns, keep investing, getting returns, keep investing, getting returns, keep investing, getting returns, and growing our money. That is how you succeed at anything. And that is how we shall succeed in the stock market. By trying and trying and trying and trying and trying and trying. Trying to maximize our returns in the stock market. Trying to get 100% returns per year. Of course, there are critics who tell me it's not impossible. It's not possible. I'm telling them, let us keep trying. Even if we get 30%, we are good enough. Even if we get 40%, we are good enough. Even if we get 60%, 70%, we are good enough. The aim is keep trying. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We have a Telegram group. Join us. And together, let's grow rich, grow wealth together. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.